Probably works for days, huh? Your whole timeless joy, so put your heart on the line. Baby, I want you speech.
Look, you don't want to get involved with me.
Family drama. You're just too scared to let go. I actually care about somebody.
Do yourself a favor. Leave me alone. Beat it.
I don't know what I think. Something strange is going on.
Match quarters for the next round.
Thank you for the drink. I changed. And as someone maybe I wasn't meant to be. Rely on no one.
Pretend or don't pretend. Whatever floats your boat. You and I got some things to talk about.
You look terrible.
Why?
It's really gotten under your skin, hasn't it? You know guys don't get to me. Besides, who has time for a real relationship anyway? Yeah.